So Jayne, goalless draw, what's your thoughts on that performance?
Yeah, really pleased. You know, we've come into the game with a game plan and we've ticked off loads of those areas, focus areas for us. We performed particularly well in some key areas for our development as a team going forwards, and you know, topping all that off, we brought 6 changes into the game and we've still been able to perform the way that we expect.
Creating chances is becoming more obvious and making more of them now the last few games especially. Is that something you've been working on with?
Yeah, you know, it's a positive aspect of what we're doing right now, and we're challenging the girls to do something different to what we focused on for many years. So right now we're in a process of learning how to do that. So there's parts of that today that have worked really well, parts that we know we can do better at.
Using 6 subs as well today, feeling there's a bit more strength and depth coming on.
Yeah, it's great when players come in and they compete for their place now, and that's what we've seen today, relevant of age. You know, we have some babies, as we say, 17-year-olds, but we have some more experienced players who are chomping at the bit to try and get that starting shirt. And you know, this week was all about creating that competition, but to be able to do that we have to give people playing time. I'm really pleased with how they've all performed, starting line-up and girls who've come into the game.
Looking ahead now, a bit of prep again to go again on Tuesday.
Yeah, look, this week's really important for, you know, results in the future, because we have a lot of areas we're trying to work on. You know, it's been a great previous campaign, but there are areas we have to be better at, and we've got a couple more camps to make sure we do that prior to August.